to Story World and English by Sneha ma'am. All right, today I have a very scientific story for all of y'all. So get ready to begin. So the name of the story is Shruti, the girl, floats an idea. Author is Naveen Dorai Raju and illustrator is Vibha Surya. Let's dive in. It's Grow a Plant Month, everyone, Sukanya Miss said. Everyone in the class was excited. Everyone but Shruti. Hmm. Shruti hated the soil. She did not like touching it. She did not like the earthworms that wriggled in it. And she hated how the soil made her hands feel icky. How was your day, Shruti? Appa asked. Shruti dropped to the floor. We have to grow a plant, Pa, and I hate touching soil. You don't need soil to grow plants, Appa replied. But plants need air, water, soil, and sunlight to grow, said Shruti. Sukanya Miss told us that they get all their nutrients from the soil. You're right, Appa replied. But plants can also get their nutrients from water, like the lotus in a pond. Can I really grow a plant in water? Shruti asked. Yes, Appa replied. All you need is a sapling, some coconut husk, a big plastic bottle, and some plant nutrients to help it grow. Hmm. Appa cut a bottle in two halves. Shruti filled the bottom half with water and mixed in some nutrients. She flipped the top half of the bottle and put the coconut husk in it. Finally, she placed the sapling in the top half. Ruthie took care of her plant every day. 3 weeks later, she took her plant to class. Everyone was surprised. Shruti, how is your plant so big? Sukanya Miss asked. It's because I grew it in water, Miss, Shruti replied. No one in her class had seen a plant grown in water before. No one even knew it was possible. Your plant is so beautiful, Shruti, her classmate said. Shruti was prouder than ever. All right, children, so that was a scientific story. So I'm sure y'all enjoyed it a lot, and y'all also learned that plants can be grown in water too. So I'll see you in my next story. Bye from Sneha ma'am.